Yo, I'm back. I'm just gonna turn on my lights. This it makes pretty cool. It's that light and then getting straight back into the swing of things. Now, as much as I love all the annotation that I've done in it, I think it'd be really cool to see it grow over time. Um, I want to go down to like I wanna have at least the 3, the 5, and the 15. I don't mind about the 1, but um, I really want all that stuff basically. And I think to get it, I'm gonna have to just restart the stuff the trade the replay trade. So yeah, I love it, but it's got to go. It's got to go. Um. So and but before I do that, I have a quick theory. I was just looking at this, and I have a quick theory about what's gonna happen next. Um. And I just want to play it out. I just want to play it out super duper quick, see if it's true or not. Basically, what I think is that quite thin line here is if it's below, okay, it stays below, and then if it breaks above, it breaks above, basically. But I think I'll delete this red line. I think something like this will happen. It'll go down. Let's go. I think it'll go down, retest, hit here, then go down further. And I'm just going to play that out really quickly because I'm curious. Okay, so it did do that, but it went way past it, blasted through. Well, there you go. So you can definitely see this as some kind of point of interest because when it gets above, it stays above, and it gets below, it stays below. But there you go. It definitely didn't come back up, but as soon as I would have liked. Anywho, I will start the next one on 17th of December. Actually, I'll just close my eyes and just swipe through as far as I can, basically. But yeah, if I can close that, I need replay. I don't actually know how to do this. It's like, okay, so I can go further back. Honestly, I might just refresh the page. Yeah, whatever, bro. Oh, we're in Euro USD. Okay, here we go. So, why can we only go that far back? If I go to 3 minutes, it will never load. Oh, here we go. Okay. And then replay, launch replay. And then just go back. Like, why does it only let me go back? Whoa. Here we go. Oh, it just takes time to load. Damn. Okay. Can I squish it? Do you reckon it'll load loads? Yes. See, we're still in 2025. I mean, I suppose because it's 3 minutes, I'll be trying to play shorter movements So yeah, I'm actually gonna close my eyes now and just click, and then it might get to the start. But uh, mm, I'm gonna look at the bottom half. Um, I did just look there. If I'm totally honest, I completely saw that. So if I try and push my mouse over, does it glitch over? Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out a way to see it. I mean, it's not like I'm gonna remember the damn pattern that it falls to, but uh, like now I know that it drops, so I could just show that as soon as it peaks. Otherwise, you know, I'm gonna pause this and I'll get right back. Okay, so it just finished loading all of this. You joking? I don't know. It's I've got to a point I can't remember what was in front, and now I should be able to go to the hourly, to the 15-minute. It's slow. It's slow. Okay. Right, let's get back into the swing of things. Okay. Brand new chart, damn. Value gap. Right. Okay. Damn. It's been a minute and it feels weird. It's been overnight. What time is it? It's 10:30. 10:30. Okay. So we've just created a fair value gap. We've got highs over here, which we might want to hit. Haven't got many points of interest besides that. I'm still not sure what an order block is, if I'm totally honest. So I don't think it's worth trying to point any of those out, any order blocks out or anything. But I'm expecting it to kind of hit this area, maybe sweep liquidity higher, and then revisit this fair value gap at least. Let's go down to 5. Can't really see what's going on past here, so to lay it out. Okay, done the exact opposite of what I thought. And just went straight into the fair value gap. I think if we get the right entry signal, like a bearish engulf, that is a weak bearish engulf, but it's a bearish engulf. This time I'm going to be putting in trade after trade after trade after trade. At least I'm going to be trying to. And I'm going to take this first trade after we got a weak bearish engulf. And we got a revisit of the fair value gap, which is beautiful. Here we've got a 1 to 2 realistically, and we're going to buy TP. Damn, why is it 300? You know, I don't really know what, like, I still don't know what these are, these quantities. Is it like, am I buying 50 Litecoin, or am I buying $50 worth of Litecoin? I think I'm buying 50 Litecoin, if I'm honest. Which I should probably just shoot down to 1. But let's see how this plays out. So it looks like it's trying to get momentum off of this fair value gap. Honestly, not looking promising. It's just looking like a consolidation. but we're getting there. Getting there. It is definitely trying to push upwards. Damn, this is a long one. Yeah, I mean, like the way it's pushing up is not making me confident because it doesn't look like it's got a lot of momentum. But I'm like you got to expect it to at least take some of this liquidity here, and then once it's there, it's just a tiny little jump up from there to get even more liquidity. So I think definitely sticking it out is worth it. You see, it's gone for a jump up again to get that liquidity. There we go. So now we've swept at least this liquidity here, and I'm worried that that's all it wanted. It might not even want this higher liquidity. Of course, I could close it. I could close it now and, you know, be pretty happy. But I think I'm gonna play it out. Damn, that went down fast. Okay, that's interesting. So it's just it might revisit this fair value gap from ages ago. So we took this liquidity here. If I'm honest, I still think it'll take liquidity, but I think it might revisit this fair value gap. And it might do a lower sweep beforehand, which obviously would just eat into that. Yeah, it might. I'm thinking it might go down, visit here, and if it does, we have a pretty good shot for getting up here. But of course, my stop loss is here. So I might close. Like, how long have we been in this trade so far? Because once again, that's what I am looking for, like shorter trades, a day almost. So we've got a good entry, really good entry, realistically, but you know, it's definitely not worth putting it down here. And if I wasn't in an entry, I wouldn't short that because I'm not confident that it would do that. But it's a risky one. It's like, do you stick it out or not, basically? I'm no longer confident. I'm gonna TP there, and then I'm gonna play it out for a little bit and see what happens. Shit, okay, sorry, it just lagged loads there. See, we're only on the 2nd of March, like, and it's the 23rd of March today, so I think it's very feasible that I get to the end of this pretty soon. Especially if I'm blasting through it, like, look. I'm just gonna keep dragging them out because I am curious. Like, are we in a consolidation or what? We're just in a pretty nasty downtrend right now. I expect it to go down to here now. If it breaks through this fair value gap, I might be interested in shorting. Shit. Honestly, that's my bad. I like skipped through that a bit fast. But yeah, I'm gonna short that. I want to TP around here, and then halfway into the fair value. I mean, should I do a 1-to-1? 1-to-1 isn't beautiful, but I think if I need to be more, I need to do more. I need to do more trades at the end of. That's crazy. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, that was quick. We haven't quite hit up here still. We haven't even swept liquidity from this point now. So yeah, I'm not too sure. I don't think this fair value gap really matters anymore. And that just got blasted away. So that was not a good trade. That was very bad. I didn't follow my rules. I was just I'm trying to take more trades basically. Now we're here. Now we're here. I have a feeling it might go for this liquidity higher up again because it's now got momentum down here. Yeah, it's got momentum here, and it's going to push up because I know it'll eventually tap up here. Obviously, it has to eventually, but I have a feeling it wants to do it sooner rather than later. So it's just like, do I long, and where would I put my stop loss? Yeah, so I'm trying to highlight, fair value gaps and whatnot. Fair value gap. If it revisits this fair value gap, I'll put in a long, and ideally I'll look for a bullish engulf. Yeah, it's really trying to get up there. Here we go. Okay. So it has closed in that. Yeah, it's really laggy today. It shouldn't be the Wi-Fi or anything because they're pretty good. I can't lie. Probably just because there's loads of candles it needs to load from the past. But let's go down to the 3-minute, and you can see this really just visited. That candle just closed inside. So let's let it load and then push forward a little bit. Okay, so that is not a bullish candle, bullish engulf or anything. Doji. Okay. I'm trying to take more trades. Today is a very takey tradey day. I should have took it earlier if I'm gonna take it, but let's go in. Let's do this. There we go. At 2.5, 1.1 to 2.5. Buy. Stop loss is gonna be at the bottom of this value gap. TP is gonna be up here. I'm a little bit worried because we haven't even got like a liquidity sweep or anything. Something tells me we're about to get a liquidity sweep and then a massive push to that TP. This is bad. Yeah. But I'm still confident that it'll go up here. I really am. Now we have a position for a better entry, at least. But you know, we've had a. Let's go to the 15-minute and see if we've got. I mean, there's a bullish engulf right there. And now we've just had. Oh, we need to like sweep here and get up there. Okay. So this is the kind of point of interest. Why is everything lagging today? This is the kind of point of interest I'm looking for. So it's like the decision of, do I wait until it hits this area and watch it not and go straight up here? That's the question. I'm thinking we leave it a couple of 3 minutes, see what it can do. See if it can, you know, throw us a curveball. Because we haven't exactly had loads of momentum to the upside. Okay, so here's our liquidity sweep. And if we look at that in the 15-minute, that is pretty good. In fact, it has trajectory to come all the way down here. This is horrible. Why is it lagging? Maybe it's just because I'm moving slow. But yeah, okay. I'm gonna be looking for it to go into that box, and then I'll be really interested in long in it. I'm not sure where I'll put my stop loss, if I'm honest, because there's no kind of point of interest to work off of after that. But let's see. Yeah, okay. So the bottom of here, I think it's gonna go. It's so close. I think it's gonna go down all the way. So let's mark off. Whoa. Go away. Let's mark off the bottom of here, and that's where we're aiming for. After we get that, we'll look for a bullish engulf. Okay, there we go. Damn, why does it keep going down? Let's see if we've got a bullish engulf on any of these. Definitely not. What the hell? Oh, we've got another all-time low. It's like the more I zoom out, the more I'm like, oh, there's another one. There's another one. Like, how far back in the charts do I have to look before, you know, like we make a reversal? Because now do I wait until it gets to here? Then do I go up and long for up here? And yeah, and like the problem is, like, if I was watching it, this is 2 days of movement, and I'm not catching any of these. I want to be taking. I want my my kind of like target is to, like, I know this is everyone's target, but to read it like a book. I want to have a look, and I want to go, okay, here's a long. You know, I want to take that long. Then I want to see, okay, well, I know it's going to do that. So then I want to take this short right here. Just a quick one, just like that. Those are the kind of trades that I really realistically want to take. What's that? 2 hours. What's this one? 1 hour 30, you know? But I suppose you you got to work off of something. You got to work for that, and that's what I'm here to do. So let's stop looking at what I want and get there. Okay, so sorry. Oh. Yeah, it's hard to know if I should enter, um, or if it's going to visit down here, because it has swept this liquidity, and now we could be looking for a big uptrend. But usually you don't get these without, see this kind of like pit here. You get downwards, quick downwards, you get this pit, and then you get the move up. You kind of get a fake out, and then you get the real move up. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm thinking that this could be the pit, and it might stop around here if it's anything like that one. So yeah. Let's play it out. Let's play it out a few more. I'm looking for a bullish engulf like that. Honestly, like, yeah, it's scary taking trades. I think that's what I'm gonna have to go for, and this is gonna definitely be like a week-long trade. No way it blows through that far. I just need to do the opposite, don't I? Because now I've been impatient, and now we have swept the liquidity of down here that I was. Yeah, that is the one I was talking about. And now it's in the position to go up there. So I was looking for a bullish engulf, and I didn't quite get one. It's actually kind of annoying me how laggy it is. I'm just gonna close a bunch of tabs. I'll be right back. Yo. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go for this movement, and then I'm gonna restart my computer because gee. I've lost this trade twice already, and some would consider it revenge trading to go for a third time. I mean, most would probably consider it revenge trading for a second time. And I know as soon as I don't take the trade, it's gonna do what I was thinking. Haters be hating. Yesterday I didn't take enough trades. It's not gonna happen today. Oops. Like why do we keep going further down? See what's gonna happen now. Okay, I'm actually gonna do this for fun because I need to restart my computer. If I'm honest, I'm gonna take a short. Okay, I'm gonna take a short. I'm gonna put stop loss here, TP down here. Watch it go up to this point. Watch it. Because look, you can't even see it last time it was down here. So watch. This is interesting. And yeah, it's glitching out now. I've lost too many times. Sell, come on. Stop loss can be here. TP can be like here. Okay. Now we're about to watch it go up, finally, to this point. Oh. See. Huh. Maybe I should just stop analyzing. That's funny. Uh, right. That's. You know why that is? I was being an idiot, really. Um, it's obviously on a downtrend, and I was counter trend. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna write this down. As soon as I finish this video, I was counter trend trading. That's a tongue twister. Every single time I was taking longs when we're on a downtrend. You know, I took a long here, hoping it would go up. Took a long here, hoping it would go up. Trade with the trend. Trade with the trend. So that's a bit of a short one. Ended in profit, but absolutely should not have. That was just luck. I'm gonna restart my computer now, and I'll be back.